This setting of peace and honor comes at a time when this place was still part of the state of Virginia. Huntersville was a trading post, and in 1861, the Confederates were using it as their headquarters for all their activities in this part of the county. By 1862, Huntersville was at the center of the Civil War. Both Union and Confederate troops were using buildings in town as shelters and makeshift hospitals. Unlike today with modern medicines, the men buried on this secluded hill did not succumb to battle, yet died of high fevers such as typhoid. Being that it's a 10-minute hike out my back door, it's easy for me to come pay my respects to these men that has lost their life so far from home, and to share a piece of local history with you guys.